guys, a little update about my life recently. So, I have got a license, not a driving license, but this video is going to cover everything, all the process that I have gone through to get this license. Okay, so the first and foremost thing that you have to decide before even getting the license is whether you want it or not. As per the law, it is stating that even if you're doing any kind of collaborations, whether it is barter, paid, or if you're putting a public review or you're getting free gifts, anything as such should be licensed. Once you decide that you need the license, and the second thing that you have to do is get a freelancer visa. This is compulsory, guys, and you will be paying only for this because the influencer permit is completely free for the first 3 years. So, this video is basically for all my Abu Dhabi content creators. The first step for the whole process, if you're planning to do it by yourself, is to log into tam.abu dhabi. You have to sign through your UAE pass and then get in touch with any of the agents. You can contact them directly with a toll free number and book a consultation. And if you're lucky, you'll get a very good agent who will guide you through the whole process of filling the form, submitting it, and paying the amount and till the end of getting the license. Freelancer license cost me approximately 1500 AED. Once you get your freelancer license, I think it'll come in 2 hours or 3 hours, but mine was done in 50 minutes. So once you have your freelancer license, that's when you have to go to NMC, not the NMC hospital, guys, to National Media Council. There you can just search for social media influencer permit. And this is something that nobody told me, but I did it by myself. So if you're doing your promotions on Instagram, maybe you have multiple pages, or maybe you're doing your promotions in YouTube. So just add all the pages just to be in the safer side. It usually takes time to get to the final influencer permit, but anyway, you're on a safer side to do any kind of collaborations. And very important thing, Abu Dhabi residents should apply from Abu Dhabi offices. There might be business consultancies who are ready to help you, but make sure that they are registered in Abu Dhabi. And you know the funniest part? Since I've got my license, no brands approached me for a paid collaborations. My life, guys. Anyway, take your time. You have time till January. Just explore yourself and see whether you really need it or, just take a pause. And my journey, which is totally unplanned, I'm not sure where this is going to take me, but still, I am being confident on what I am. And let's see how this goes. Thank you so much for supporting me throughout my journey. And I love you all. Stay tuned. And if you have any questions regarding this permit thing, just ask me. Good luck, guys. Happy content creations.